My skin is just really not the business today. Hi guys, Hisashi Booty, I know. Today, I'm going on a fun little adventure. I'm going to be meeting up with my friend who is a fellow dog mom. We go on these little dog mom dates periodically. My dog is coughing in the background. You good? And so today we are going to be meeting up in kind of like the area that she lives. She lives in Kanagawa, more towards Yokohama. So it is a bit of a trek for me, but I don't really mind. I told her I wanted to film today, so she is cooking food and making snacks, and we're gonna do all this stuff, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna get his stroller out, and knowing that he's gonna start to go crazy because he knows he's going somewhere. So yeah, let's start our day, guys. Don't look at my messy ass apartment.
How's your tummy since you ate mac and cheese? Mac and cheese is not for doggies. Mac and cheese is not for doggies. That's why your tummy a little upset. He does not care. He's like, I'll do it again. Hey, what you doing? Does anybody else's dog do this? Where they like profusely rub their faces into like couches? He loves to do it on my pillow, specifically on my bed. He also does this weird thing where he like, let's see if he makes the noise. Yep, there he goes. I don't know why he does it. What? Yeah, what does that mean? Does that mean we're going on an adventure? Yeah? We're going on an adventure? Are we gonna go see some friends? Yeah? You gonna go see some friends? Are you excited? Take that as a yes. Big stretch. Wow. Okay, let's go. King of being annoying, yeah. Can I please put on my socks? Shoes on. Do any of you go through this? So, it's pretty windy out. If you guys can't tell from how windblown my hair already is. But other than that, it's decent weather. It's not too cold. I don't know, it's not too cold for me. It's probably too cold for a lot of people, but it's gonna be pretty chilly on the beach though, I think. So that'll be Guy just dropped all his packages. Guy brought Juzo's little parka and stuff, so he'll be plenty warm. Just being a dog mom. Making a coffee stop, of course, at my local Starbucks. They all know me here. It's kind of embarrassing. Y'all ready for this super complex Japanese order? Hi, venti size ice no vanilla latte. Oats milk お願いします。waffle. Happy. Yeah. Wow. Juzo, it's really hard to hold the camera steady when you're yanking me. So you can see Fujisan
And then set Enoshima. Juzo, you're the weird sibling. You're the weird sibling. His harness got a little wet, but yeah, you're tired now, huh? He's just chilling. Wish somebody would push me in a stroller.
That's what's happening.
What are you doing, brother?
Looking at you so upside down.
You're everybody's friend now. Francesca, what?
Spinning?
He sits, shakes.
He sits? Sit?
He's up. He's more like hand signal. There you go.
Oh, my goodness.
Hi, old man. This is Daniel. He's a senior citizen. Look at this gourmet meal that she prepared. Look how cute. Oh, Juzo's already starting to whine because he wants it.
We need food for them.
Yeah. Yeah, nobody would look at you and think that you're starving. I'm sorry. So we got meatballs, pasta, mashed potatoes and gravy, a little salad cup with fruit salad as well, cream cheese, olive and tomato, tuna rolls. Is this one like egg?
Yeah, that's like an egg salad.
So egg salad and then avocado and salmon. Oh, I'm gonna devour that. Looks so good. And then we have these two little men trying to get a taste. And then where's Francesco? Oh, he's over. Francesco playing in the background. Literally, it was like just Thanksgiving. American Thanksgiving, so this is perfect.
Oh, really?
Yeah, American Thanksgiving was like yesterday.
What's his?
I know, he does this a lot. Would you like to say that again, please? I know what you want. I ate it all, I'm sorry. He's like, I'm going over to you now. I absolutely annihilated that plate. I annihilated it, and I annihilated all the salmon. I ate way too fast, but oh my gosh, it was so delicious. I really needed that, having missed Thanksgiving. Hi. No. Yeah. Did you have fun today? Was today a good day? Wow, it's Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loop cake. I can't wait, it's so good. I'm gonna try this.
Hello, Juzo-san.
Oh, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah. One of my favorite cereals, like, of all time is Fruity Pebbles.
Really? Oh yeah, I love it too.
Even Juzo's eating gourmet tonight. Yeah. Wow, he ate that so fast. Like, they're still like halfway through and he's like almost finished. So we're heading back. It was such a fun day. I'm so tired. But the food was delicious. And she gave me a little to-go package that Juzo was very interested in. But oh my gosh, it was so fun. So nice.